Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today I wanted to show you this. This is my little fire starting tin. Say hello. And yeah, so basically I wanted to show you this. At the time of filming, we're now in our pretty much 4th week of self-isolation, quarantine, semi-lockdown in the UK. And I'm going a bit crazy. Pretty much all I'm doing is going to work and staying at home. So I've been playing with little kits and stuff, putting them together, and this is one of them I've come up with. So let's get straight into what's inside. As you can probably see, I have a slight obsession with fat wood. That does play a major part of this kit. Okay, so opening it up. It is a repurposed Aircrew fire starting kit, I believe, manufactured in September 1999. The contents are long gone, but this little tin is more than useful for that purpose. Okay, so opening up, inside we have a generic ferro rod striker. Also has a bottle opener on there, so very handy. We have a box of matches. I have a small light source. This is actually a torch from a Polymath Products survival kit. Always good to have some illumination. I have some waxed jute twine. Really cool little fire starter in on itself. If I can get it out. I have a little mini glow stick, just because I like them and it's really small. I have a extremely well used beaten half to death ferro rod, but it's really small and it still throws out awesome amount of sparks, so definitely included that in there. I have a whole bunch of fat wood in there, and I have 4 of these. Now these are tinder tabs, and if you need a fire going and you've only got like one shot, just use these. They are superb. They can be lit once soaked in water. All you do is basically pull them apart, which I'll show you later, get a spark on them, and they'll go up and they'll burn long and hot. So really cool little addition. And tucked into the corner here, I have some magnesium powder. So again, take a little spark and that'll burn nice and hot. And plenty upon plenty of shavings of fat wood. So if I can't get a fire started with all of this, honestly I think my ancestors will disown me, because you know, I'm sure back hundreds and thousands of years ago they were getting fires going with a lot less than this. So there we go, that is the contents of this little kit. I'm new to making kits like these, so expect more of these in the future. If you like making kits like this, please tag me in them. I'd love to see them and steal your ideas. I'm not even going to lie, I am going to steal your ideas. So there we go. I'll finish this. I need to pack it better. Oh no, I left my glow stick out. I'll pack this later and then I'll show you it in action. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.